here in Royal National Park. Yeah, in the car park. At the moment there is a helicopter. That's it. I don't need to get closer because things like that is a complicated matter. So we're going to start walking. It is going to be a long walk. Yeah, I don't have any food. I have just coffee and water inside my backpack. The name of this place is Garawara Farm. There is toilet, there is information area, and car park. Yeah, this is going to be a long walk. So this is how it is inside here. There is the way that is like this. Yeah, concrete. And most of the trees that we are seeing are actually the long trees. This Royal National Park is just on the sides of suburbs of Sydney. So basically this Royal National Park is between the Illawarra region and the Greater Sydney. Yeah, like Campbell Town, Cronulla, and then on the other side is the Stanley Park, all the way to the Wollongong area. This is my third time here in Royal National Park, but in different parts. On my very first time here, yeah, I just ride the train and I end up in the water police station, and then from water police station I walk, and yeah, I was able to get inside without proper direction. Yeah, just walking. Yeah, the second time was with my Suzuki Jimny, but during that time was rainy days, so didn't really able to walk. And today will be the third time. Yeah, my intention is to go to the figure 8. There is a rock pool near the beach that's having like a shape of number 8. And to get to this place, I actually drive 1 hour. Yeah, Sydney, I realize it's very big. Before, when I don't have a car, yeah, I thought Sydney is just the area around the Sydney CBD. Yeah, and actually I realized that yeah, there are different big suburbs having their own big shopping malls. Yeah, amazing big city. And so from here we can see the beach. Yeah, but it's secluded, not easy to reach. And actually there are some houses. Yeah, where is their car? Yeah, there are houses down there. Whoa, if you are in this area, it's incredible. Look at that. See the water, the beach, and then if you look at the back, you see those mountain, big trees that looks very small from far away. Yeah. Amazing. I love it very much doing things like this, walking around. Yeah, from time to time you're going to see yeah, direction. This one is going to North Era, Burning Palms Beach, Figure 8 Pools, Utford. Yeah, and the way is actually just a natural way like that. So basically this is like the highway. This is like the main road, the main way. And some information how to get there before you go. Yeah, this is what I love about Sydney. It is beautiful and surrounded by beautiful national park and different beautiful beaches. Yeah, and a lot of shopping malls in every suburbs. And from here I can actually see the city of Wollongong. Yeah, you don't see it in the camera, I'm sure. The way I understand is that the government, yeah, made this way naturally. Yeah, because you know, Australians, tourists, they love to walk in a place like this. So yeah, there is this house. I don't know if this is a real house. There's another one here. Coming from up there, we are now here. There are some written is SWS, maybe social weather station. I'm not sure. When she looks at me, I know the girls with sins nobody else can see. I know that taking me inside. I know the craziness I hide. And that make the song to song upon a certainty. And it doesn't matter me when you lie for loving me. I'm going to remove my socks so that I can walk properly. Yeah, that is one of the good thing about these shoes. Okay, ready to go. The color of the sand is like this, not so white. Yeah, similar to Newcastle. The color of the sand in Zone Bay is much whiter and finer. Yeah, there are some people here, tourists, and we're going to walk to that side. Oops. Look at this rock formation. Yeah, it's good to have a picture here. And this one is very flat. Yeah, nice. It's a little bit scary in this area. Look at that. Oh, oh, oh. Drama, that's just a drama. Yeah, I'm really amazed with the rock formation. It looks really good. Yeah, if you see the details, it is amazing. Yeah, look at that. And on the side, beautiful. It's like a puzzle of big rocks. Dangerous, but amazing. The waves is actually getting stronger. Yeah, scary. We are still walking around here in the rocky area. My back is actually sweating a lot already. If I'm not mistaken, this is the place where the figure 8 is located. Yeah, you will see that figure 8 on Instagram. A lot of people taking pictures on it. Look at this one. This is like a big bathtub. Oh, nice. Natural bathtub. Yeah, I don't want to get down. This is like a sleeper. Yeah, the shape of a sleeper. Really nice. And there are some scary things down there. And this is another bathtub. After, and this is the popular figure 8. It's actually deep. Yeah, maybe 7 feet. Yeah, actually there are many kind of bathtub where you can actually swim. I don't swim because I don't like, I'm scared of everything under the water. Oh. Alright. Yeah, even this small figure 8. I don't know if this is man-made or what. A little slippery. A lot of them, look at this. And this also. And this one is perfect circle. So basically you're going to see a different figure. Of course the popular figure 8, and there are some perfect round, some like a shape of a foot, yeah, and some are like just a river like this. I'm actually a little bit tempted to have a picture on the water, but yeah, there are some people. Yeah, of course if I go to the water I should be with just underwear, but I'm shy. And look at this, there are some bad people. That couple, they said that the figure 8 is much yeah, the figure 8 is much more beautiful in picture. There is some kind of yeah, it's like a corals that is very much visible up here. No fish actually. And actually if you can see on that far side, that's already the bridge. I forgot the name, but the Stanwell Park. On the there is the residential area, and there is a viewing on the top of the mountain where you see the beautiful bridge. Yeah, I've been there before with my Suzuki Jimny. There is a kind of a natural seaweed. There are some people now, but I was able to do it. Nice. And now we're going to continue walking all the way to the side. If you want to see the pictures that I took, yeah, I am going to post it in Facebook. Actually, if you look at that, yeah, you don't really know what is the proper way to get up there, but for sure there is a way. And here there is a kind of a, yeah, swimming pool, rock pool. Yeah, I feel safe to swim in here. Look at that, natural sand. There's no scary plants under, so I think it's good to swim here. But yeah, it's cold actually. And there is this natural falls. Amazing. And I'm walking in this dangerous because it's slippery. Oh, probably that is the way. I don't know if you can see that, but there is kind of a pattern to go up. Because in here I don't see any. Yeah, I don't know actually. But let's have a look. The time now is 2:30, so we still have time. If you have small kids, you will not be able to come here. Yeah, because it's a lot of walking. Also dangerous walking. Okay, I don't see any pattern of way here, so we're going to follow that direction. I can see a small pattern of walkway. Oh no, this is not the pattern of the way. This is actually a landslide. Yeah, it's a landslide area. Because if you can see this is coming from there. So where's the way? Oh, maybe that's the one that I saw a while ago. And I'm already here. Or maybe you're wondering about my coffee mug. It's inside my backpack. Oh! Yeah, there is this platform where I can go through. Look at that, I made it. And then we need to go through this way. And I'm actually now a little bit feeling dizzy being up here, but we need to continue. I'm running out of memory card. Not this one, I already tried, but not that one. Okay, here. So there is a proper way. Oops. No, it's not. Look at that. I thought this is the way, but I'm already in this side. But yeah, there is actually no way. We'll figure out this. I'm scared. Whoa, look at this.